This is one of you guys' longest days, but in a good way.
It does make for a long day, but it's so much fun seeing these kids catch fish, and then we just know that people are enjoying the fireworks. So it's a great time, and we're glad to be part of it.
So it takes months leading up to today.
Oh yeah, there's all the permits that are required and training and getting everything lined up, getting them purchased, and even selecting which ones we're going to use. And we just look forward to it every year. And so if you missed it this year, we want you to encourage you to be out here next year.